Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I'm going to give you an update of these succulent plants that I planted 5 months ago. I used the leaves, so I'm going to give you the update how it looks like now. Like for example, this one started to grow, that one too, that one. So as far as I can remember, there are at least 3 in here that didn't grow, and then I planted some. So this one right here didn't have anything sprouting yet. Hopefully in the near future, because this one is already 5 months old. And this one right here in my hand, I saw it online one time to plant leaves of succulent like this one here in water like this, so the water is not touching the leaves, and it says that it will started sprouting or rooting in 5 days or 1 week. But honestly guys, it took for this one at least close to 2 months or 2 months to go like this. You see that one? So I'm not planting this one yet because I'm looking for a nicer pot. And this one, as you can see, there is a sprout right there, and this one right here. So okay guys, that's it for today. I hope it will give you an idea that it's actually grows, some of it, but it takes time. It's not like what they are saying. Some of the people are saying online that it will just take few days, a month, but this one it took for a long period, and this one it says 1 week or 5 days, and it took me at least 2 months. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Okay, keep on gardening, and bye.